Okay guys, this is a 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser with a mean green starter. This is the second one I purchased. I just had a chance to put on. The first one I put on had a strange noise upon startup. No grinding, a bit of a whirling sound. I just want to know if you guys think this is normal. This one sounds a little better, but a sound that doesn't sound normal to me anyway, at least for a regular OEM starter, which this isn't. Let me know if this sounds normal, guys. Thanks. Alright guys, that was it. Talk to me in the comments. Thanks.